Oh, hell no. Hey guys, and welcome back to another reaction, which I'm not ready for because we have the track video of NCT 127's Earthquake. Like, later today I checked out the track video for Wavy's Miracle, and I'm still dead, honestly. So, I don't know how well I'm gonna survive this. Like, Wavy is my favorite NCT subunit, and NCT 127 is right after that. So this is gonna be interesting. I don't know how well I'm gonna survive this. And also I really hope this doesn't get blocked. Like my wavy reaction got blocked in like the US and Canada, so that's amazing. Because SM just likes to block reactions, and I also don't have Patreon, so I can't really upload it anywhere without anything to cover the music video, so I'm very sorry about that, but I guess we'll see. But yeah, I'm just super excited about this because I have no idea what the song's gonna sound like. I mean, it's called Earthquake, so that tells a lot, but you never know. So let's not wait any longer and watch this. Alright, I have the track video ready, and honestly, there's already Do Young in the first scene. Like, man, once upon a time, I think I had a bias in NCT or NCT 127, but these days are over. I love all of the members, so this is gonna be a lot of fun. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Yeah, what a big earthquake.
Oh hell no.
We make it crack wherever we want.
Oh, Johnny and Denzel, let's
all
go.
around the world. 대지가 않다 되는 방 뭔가로 변하려는 time.
Oh hell yes,
지면의 박살 난 듯이 땅에 번개쳐도 don't mind.
Baby Biley. Not Johnny. Man, he's been getting so confident this year. I don't want to talk about Jaehan and Rita. Also, I didn't like the lighting. Ooh, the colors are incredible. That's one hell of an NCT 127 chorus, and I love it so much. Also, can we talk about the outfits? Let's go to sing the solo. The harmonies. Oh my god, I want to breathe. Get Jung more off the screen. Not head charm. You can't. Why? Yes. I always get happy when Johnny has lines as well. Yes. The chord changes are insane. Yo, nah. That was better than anything I would have ever expected. Somehow, like, I mean, I should really have expected that after like Sticker and Favorite being two of my top favorite songs in 2021. But somehow I was still surprised. I love SM producers, I swear. But the members. Man, the vocals. It's just, I mean, we're gonna watch this again, obviously, but like the vocals, incredible. Also, yeah, the rapping is always top tier. What the hell? And the styling, I really love the outfits, and I mean also like the makeup. Oh, like SM really knows how to make makeup. Like really, they look stunning. Like the eyeshadow mostly really just catches me off guard because it's so stunning. But yeah, also like this style in general is just Oh, amazing. But like, oh, this song, I wish I could add this to my playlist right now, but it's not really out on Spotify yet. That's sad. But like, that was fire. So like, yeah, let's watch this again. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let's watch this again. It was starting mad disrespectful. The laugh? Tell you, Taeyong and Mark are just so unique, bro. They need to stop doing Jungwoo lines where he has to sing in a deeper range. It's not good for my heart. And I'm not gonna talk about Yuta, I'm not. Oh, just look at this scene. Man, Taeyong, he's shining. Taeyong, he's slaying this outfit, bro. I want to have it. No, the chord changes just give me goosebumps. Oh my god. What am I supposed to say? I can't even think right now. He's too stunning. And then still hits the second time. Oof. Oh god. Let's go, John. Oh yes. Oh god. I also love Mark in the center. Stop looking at the camera. I'm just so glad that there's an outro. That was an earthquake, alright. Oh my god. Like, nah, I don't know how I'm supposed to deal with this. Oh man, there's just too much good music. Like, in on itself, the song is already fire. Like, I love this song already, but then you just, the members, I really don't know what to say anymore. Like, I loved it. I'm not ready for NCT 2021. I will absolutely not survive that. So I'm gonna dig my grave right now. I don't know how I'm supposed to deal with this. Like, all of them look stunning. The vocals and rapping were insane. Like, how does it get better than Sticker and Favorite, honestly? How? Yet here they are. So, what's new? And like, oh, man, this is just incredible. Like, I really can't wait to just blast this song on Spotify for the rest of my life. Like, yeah, the chord changes, bruh, gives me goosebumps, really. Being an in-citizen is so difficult these days. Like, the hell? Like, how are you gonna make me check out, like, Miracle and Earthquake in one day and expect me to survive? How? Bruh. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, then of course leave a like and subscribe. You can also follow me on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and if you had fun, then see you in the next reaction. Bye!